guys, it's Ricardo. Welcome to another blog tech tips. Okay guys, as you can see here, this product is the ZOSI, and as you can see here, it says professional security made easy, and this product is actually the ZOSI Smart PTZ camera indoor version 1080p. So this is the 1080p of the ZOSI Smart PTZ camera, and this is the indoor model. I want to take the time to thank the guys over at ZOSI for sending me this for review. A few months ago, or a month ago or so, I purchased a ZOSI camera system using my own money, and I actually did a review of that, both written and video review. And then of course the guys over there saw my review and decided to send me this indoor version of their camera also to test and review. I'll have a full review over on the blog and also include purchasing links. But as you can see here guys, this is the product. I just picked this up in the mail recently, and as you can see, this is the box, and as you can see, it comes in this nice packaging. There's a nice preview of the product. There are also the contents of the box that includes the IP camera itself, along with the power adapter, user manual, and a mounting screw bag. So that means that this product not only can be used indoors, it can also be mounted, and it can be used for security in various places. You could use this for a store, for your house. It can also be used as a baby monitor. It has a bunch of features, as you can see here on the back. Let me just flip this over carefully, and as you can see here, these are the features. You can pause to actually see, and there they go. It tells you it has integrated night vision, meaning it can work in the dark for you to see. There's integrated PTZ, that's support for wide angle viewing, or wide angle camera shots to see an entire viewing area. There's outstanding speech interaction, meaning you can speak from remote locations, and of course this will carry the audio through. There's also mobile phone access, meaning you can remotely view the device. There's wireless connection, and there's wide range of applications, meaning you can use it in a variety of ways. You can use home, shopping malls, supermarkets, and other places. There is the app down here, and of course there's the remote access feature and the free app that's you can actually get in the Play Store. And guys, I like this camera because it is one impressive device. It gives you a bunch of security features in a cool, small, handy package that you can just install quite easily. It supports the SD card or micro SD card. You can plug it in, connect to the Wi-Fi, and it can be used for handy purposes around the home. It's truly a unique device and a unique design. So next I'm just going to go to the unboxing. Alright guys, forgive me for the camera angle. I'll be handling the box while doing this unboxing while recording, so forgive me guys. So the first thing you want to notice guys is that the device slides right out. I'm going to put the box aside since I already gave you that in detail. As you can see here, this is a quick preview of the box, and I'm going to take it out. And of course, as you can see here, this is the camera. We're going to look at this in a second. Over here we have the ZOSI manual, and it says quick start guide. It gives you a scannable code for the app, most likely to download from the App Store or the Google Play Store, right? And of course it runs you through the setup process and what this device can do, and you can see a bunch of previews along with other stuff right here. So I'm not going to go into this only for setup. I'll have multiple tutorials on this. I'll have tutorials on how-tos along with the unboxing, but this is a straight unboxing to see what's in the package, so I'm going to put this aside. Next, over here we have some small packages. First I'm opening this up guys, and of course in here you'll notice this is a mounting bracket, meaning it can be mounted. And of course you notice here there's a arm, and of course it would indicate that you could mount this within the house and be able to cover various angles and adjust the placement. There's the mounting screws right here. Alright, so I'm going to put this aside. Next, we have the final box. Inside this box we have quite a few things, including the adapter brick. Comes with quite a nice cord to give you some distance from the outlet. Standard look like a micro USB connection, and of course the standard wall brick comes here. Let's put this back in. Alright, so the start of the show, guys, right here. So let me just open this up. There we go. And this is the unit itself, and quite nice design. I like the setup. It's actually as shown in the pictures from the website. Alright, so what I like about it straight away is the glossy finish. It gives it a quite nice look. It's like a Fabergé egg, quite smooth. It can be swivel adjusted, it seems, so it can be adjusted on its axis. There is the camera right here. I don't know what this is, maybe it's a sensor or a LED, not sure. There's the speaker here for the two-way audio, and of course there is the product right here along with some information. There is the outlet for powering it up, and there's a micro SD card slot, and of course that is the general overview of this ZOSI product. So let me just go ahead and just say right away, it's quite light. It has a little bit of weight to it, but otherwise it's cool. The main unit here at the center is not movable, and of course if you have ever worked with a IP camera, you'll know that these things are quite handy. They can just be put down on a desk, or they can be mounted as shown, and of course it's a great way for security and improving the security of your home. You could also use this as a baby monitor in case you have a large house and you're halfway across the room. You can keep track. Alright guys, so this has been a quick unboxing showing you what's included in this ZOSI IP camera. Alright, so in case you want this or the full review, please go over on the website. I'll put a link below. It's recorded from Blog Tech Tips, and an unboxing of this cool device of the ZOSI IP camera. Alright guys, you got the same. Bye until next time. Bye.